Let's be real, starting a car YouTube channel seems like it's dream right. You get some cars, drive cool stuff, maybe build some crazy project. Like here's the thing, it's a lot harder than it looks, and today I'm going to tell you why Nick Ann's a car YouTuber is no easy ride. My name is Felix with Dynamic Velocity, and let's get right into it. On the surface, it seems simple. Film your car adventures, upload YouTube, watch the views roll in. But behind every published video, it's hours of work, planning, filming, editing, and that's if nothing goes wrong, which it always does. There are a lot of car YouTubers out there, but massive channels with $1 million build, just smaller creators with unique style, the car content space it packed. Standing out, that's the real challenge. And unless you're dropping content regularly, it's easy to get lost in the mix. Let's face it, cars are not cheap. Whether you're doing builds, reviews, mods, it all costs money. Parts, maintenance, fuel, it adds up fast, and if you're not sponsored or making good ad revenue, you're paid out of pocket. And boy, don't I know about that. Filming car content takes time. Work on your cars, setting up shot, then editing for hours. Doing this consistently, well, that's where it gets tough. A lot of creators burn out because it's just so demanding. It's not just film and go, it's a grind for real. You might have the coolest car in the world, but if you can't tell this story or bring personality to your videos, you will stick around. Not about cars, it's about how you connect with your audience, which I know, and it's one of my main flaws right there. And let's not forget the YouTube algorithm. You can spend days making videos, but if the algorithm doesn't pick it up, it won't get me. You need consistency, engagement, and sometimes just plain luck to get noticed. For small channels, it's even harder. You're doing everything, filming, editing, promoting, all by yourself. And when your videos don't perform, it's easy to feel like giving up. But hey, we're all here because we love cars, right? But if your thing is starting a car channel, just know it's gonna be tough. But it's one hell of a ride. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. If you're new, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.